Hi lovelies, you are all warmly welcome back to Vibe's kitchen and I hope you are all doing great. Today we are making oven smoked mackerel. You love this recipe, so go nowhere, watch to the end and be inspired. Alright, please don't forget to also like, share, comment on the video, alright? So without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and begin. My mackerel are ready and set. First, I'm going to remove all the unwanted parts. Yeah, like I'm doing. Beautiful. I'll do the same with the rest of the mackerel, okay? And I'll wash them nicely. I'll cut all the fins, remove all the gills and all that. Alright? And I'll clean them thoroughly with my salt and lime juice. You can as well use lemon juice, okay? Now I'm adding salt and I'll add water, soak them for about 15 minutes and then clean them thoroughly. And then after that, I'll go ahead and cut them into any size of my choice. But in this video today, I'll cut them into three. Yeah, you can cut them into two, or you can just leave them as a whole and just use toothpick to just bring them together like this, or you coil to form a ring sort of. Okay, it's beautiful. I like this. Beautiful. Wow. Family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and also don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. If it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome, and I'm so sure so far you are enjoying the video. So please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and also click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, lovelies, we are all done and the mackerel are looking beautiful. I love all the shapes. I love how the mackerel has been coiled. In total, I must say I love the shapes and sizes. Okay, next I'm going to put all of them into a bowl. You can even use a tray or any container of your choice, and after that add salt to taste. Yeah, after adding the salt, you can just use your hand to rub the salt on all parts of the mackerel, or you can just flip the mackerel, and this way the salt will just spread to all parts of the mackerel. Yeah. Next, I'm going ahead to add my liquid smoke for smoky flavor. All right. And after that, like the salt, you just rub it on the mackerel or you flip it like I did before with the salt. Okay. But I'm going ahead to flip it. However, I'll do it patiently and gently so that the mackerel do not break or anything like that. Okay, so we are all done, and I'm going ahead to cover the mackerel and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, before I oven bake them. Whilst they are marinating, let's go ahead and line our tray with our kitchen foil. Next, add our rack. Next, add oil to the rack so that the mackerel do not stick to it when I'm baking them. Just like so. Beautiful. Now put all the mackerel on the rack because it's been 30 minutes already. Wow, so beautiful. And I'm going to head to also add more oil to the mackerel so that they do not stick to the rack when I'm flipping them or turning them over whilst I'm baking. Is it clear here? Yeah, so make sure always to apply some oil on the rack and also apply some oil on the mackerel like I've just done. So family, this is well done and straight away they're going into the oven to be baked nicely. So we are all back and wow. I'm turning them over after 20 minutes in the oven and you see how easy it is to turn them over. Yeah, that is why it's always advisable to apply oil on both the rack and on the fish. They smell so good and they are well smoked. Beautiful. I smell the smoky flavor and I love this. Again, I'm adding more oil to the fish, or I'll say mackerel, okay? And I'll take them back into the oven. Yeah. So a few minutes later, we are back and finally our homemade oven smoked mackerel are all nice and ready. Check them out. I love the color. They are not burned. They look so beautiful and they smell so smoky. The salt content is perfecto. I love this family. I hope you've been inspired. You can now use them for your stews and soups. Yay! For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Lovelies, I hope you've been inspired and you try this out very soon. Thank you all for watching till this point. I'm really, really grateful. Mwah, kiss, bye y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.